What if the boat could take you further? Faster, easier, with more freedom than ever before. Meet the Saturn Kaboat SK470, the groundbreaking fusion of an inflatable kayak and an inflatable boat. Take it anywhere, across oceans, through bays, along rivers, or over calm lakes. 2 sets of oar locks let you find your perfect rhythm, solo or tandem. And when the journey ends, your K-boat deflates in minutes and fits neatly into a medium-sized bag, compact, portable. Unlike the wide, heavy shapes of ordinary inflatable boats, its sleek, streamlined form slices through the water with minimal resistance, delivering speed, precision, and power like nothing else in its class. That intelligent design means you can reach impressive speeds using a smaller, more efficient motor, saving on fuel, weight, and cost without losing performance. Compared to regular kayaks or inflatable boats, K-Boat gives you so much more. Versatility to paddle or motor anytime, stability to stand, move, or fish with confidence, spacious comfort for extra gear or passengers, efficiency that turns every drop of fuel into distance, and value that outperforms most boats and kayaks in its class, the Saturn K-Boat. One design, endless freedom. K-Boat was first created by BoatsToGo in 2006, the original design that started it all. While many companies have tried to copy it since, there's only one true K-Boat, proudly made by BoatsToGo. K-Boat is a registered trademark of BoatsToGo.